Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, yes, Tuesday, October the 11th, 2022. In this newspaper we have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles, oh, we have 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the same as yesterday. The letter Sudoku we have here with unique letters, not double letters or more letters of the same letter here. 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 4 of them exactly, because otherwise it will be too much for me, and it's time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, let me show you the front page. Well. Putin, president of Russia, the revenge of Putin. Here in Dutch, de wraak van Putin. The revenge of Putin, yeah. Retaliation. Well, Putin sent, I believe, 74 missiles to Ukraine, so a lot of victims are there. I believe a dozen of people killed by the missiles. Anyway, the war's still going. Let me continue with the puzzles then. This one, medium Sudoku, will be number 5310. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me start with 3 in this last row, 3 in a row above, so in that row the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 9977. Well, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7. How about? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here, 1 in the third column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 it goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers now. In this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Can I continue with the 2? No. Okay. Then. How about... Let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. We have a 3 in this third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 here in the second row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in that row? So the row between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. 6 should be there. Okay. And now, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. Then, these two missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, let me mark those, cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Oh, I cannot continue with the 9. Interesting. 5, 5, 7, and 8. 8 and the 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for 8 should be there. Then let me see. Well. Come on. What's happening? 2, 2, 2, 2. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 6, 6, 6. Okay. 7. And come on, what's happening now? Well, these two numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. Let me mark those. 5 and the 9. These two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. These two boxes missing in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Again. How about, let me see. Here I need an 8. Yeah, 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 and 8, we have an 8 now in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column, the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 now in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 5, of course. Then, yeah. Come on. 2 missing numbers here. 7 and 6. No, yeah, 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Yeah, PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.